Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first ever drawing video. I'm doing my first drawing video. Don't get on me, it's just a style I like to do. It's very simple in my opinion, but we'll see. Really bad. Really bad. So like, don't get on me.
So these are the materials I'm using. I'm using a pencil, a pen, and some markers I got off Amazon. I used the pencil because I couldn't find any mechanical pencils at that time. I used the pen because I don't have any liners. So I use that to line my art. And so these are what the markers look like. I got 80 of them and they're brand spanking new because I got them just yesterday. So I have 80 of them. I think I already lost one, but it might just be in the pack hidden because when I found that one marker, it was literally at the bottom of the pack of markers. So it was kind of a bit embarrassed because I've been looking for that marker. I've been telling everybody that I'm missing a marker. I'm missing a marker. And it was at the bottom of the marker case this whole time. So here I started drawing my strawberry mermaid. Um, and so I was gonna start drawing her as like a strawberry themed kind of person, like strawberry shortcake and stuff. It's kind of embarrassing. Anyways, I was trying to draw her as like a strawberry themed person, but I couldn't because I kind of wanted to do something else, like draw a mermaid. So I kind of drew her as a strawberry mermaid because I had an idea because I wanted this girl to like be strawberry themed. Um, but I thought a strawberry human would be able to like show enough detail, so I got some more detail in the tail for the strawberry themed mermaid. You'll see what I mean later. So.
Here we go. We do. Oh, you know what? I have been learning drawing mermaids the stage of art. So I'm actually gonna draw Strawberry Mermaid. Oh my gosh, yeah. Strawberry Mermaid. The real thing that I like about it.
So we're just gonna speed up the drawing of the mermaid body because, well, most of you guys might want to see me just coloring because you might want to see my coloring techniques. These markers do kind of fill in the space. If you put a dot, it's gonna be a really big dot by the time it has dried. So yeah, these markers are really the best with with bleed control. So I'll work on making sure these markers don't explode the paper with ink. So I'm using these markers. The brand name I cannot pronounce, sadly. But these markers have a fine tip and a broad tip according to the side of the markers. The kind of the number system doesn't make sense because it doesn't make much sense to me, because some colors are like close to each other, but they're, let's say, about 50 numbers away. They're super close looking together, about 50 numbers away. It's kind of weird because 9 and 10 are completely different. Wait, I don't even have a 10. Sorry guys, I'm lying on accident. Anyways, so like 6 and 7, I have those colors. They're totally different colors. I think 6 is like vivid pink or something, and 7's Cosmos, which is like the lightest pink I've ever seen. Like, it kind of blends into the paper, so yeah, the color system for me is kind of like gibberish. So here I'm about to start coloring my strawberry mermaid, whose name will officially be Millie the Strawberry Mermaid. And today I'm just gonna be going on while I'm coloring her about her backstory and how much her parents loved her. So Millie is of course a strawberry mermaid who lived down in the fruit sea. So in the fruit sea lived two happy parents. One was her mom was a berry and her dad was a watermelon. So together they made little strawberry Millie. Okay, made sounds a bit weird. Together they had a strawberry mermaid who went by the name Millie, when her real name is Mildred. I don't know why I chose Mildred. Anyways, Millie lived a happy life until the attack of the vegetable mermaids in the fruit sea. Now, the vegetable mermaids and the fruit mermaids have never ever encountered each other until one of the vegetable mermaids, smartest mermaids in the whole vegetable sea, figured out there's a new species of protein on the other side of the globe in the fruit sea. The king was outraged and wanted this fruit protein kind of community to go. So the king started an attack, and to keep Millie safe, they put her way down into the African Sea. But now she lives with other shipped babies from the fruit ocean, the fruit sea, whatever I said at the beginning. They all live happily together and they're best friends. I will draw her other fruit friends in the next video for you guys to enjoy. So now we can start coloring her strawberry in the background. Just in case you guys were wondering, I got the idea for the jacket from Roblox. They have, I think it's a strawberry jacket. I don't remember right now. They have a strawberry jacket and it looks kind of like that poofy jacket that Millie is wearing. Her name is Millie. That Millie is wearing, and that's where I got the inspiration from for the jacket, just in case you guys were wondering. So this is how Millie turned out. I like her, and tell me in the comments below if you like Millie too. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more of these art videos. I don't have a real schedule for posting yet, so please don't expect anything from me or my brother anytime soon, because we do have school, so it's a bit hard.